Nope, false alarm.
No, I see the water.
This one may take a while since the water level rises a lot slower.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, so once it siphons, you should be pushing water through all 2 inches.
Yeah.
It should just be. I wonder at the end of my life if I could quantify how long I've spent staring at bell siphons. I bet it's a large portion.
Can't tell that it's growing any yet.
It's easy to grow.
Does it?
Yeah.
I thought for a second.
Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Yep, the swell.
Get ready.
It'd be funny if this whole thing were a big joke on Walt, and that it stayed like this for an hour and a half.
How long does your camera record?
I got an hour and 58 minutes.
Well, how much sunlight do we have left?
Manufacturer? Do we need to tilt it just a hair more?
I want to leave it. I think it's killing it. Yeah, what I was telling him is that this one's going to be slower because the water level goes up a lot slower than in those little meter by meter
Yeah, because
IBCs.
look what's coming out here and what's going in down there, and you got to beat it. Not beating it by much.
Oh, should we have put the bell back in there? Yeah, I put it in the workshop. Is that?
It's not. It's filming, guys.
It's growing yet. I looked away for a minute, and when I looked back, it was definitely different.
It's going. We may have to get to get it to take off faster.
There it goes.
Yeah, here
There
it
it
goes.
goes.
Oh,
Here goes Walter.
and that's without glue. Imagine what would happen if we put glue in it. Oh, good time bell siphon. We're in Neverton.
Oh, man. This will take a long time for that to drain.
Seriously?